easy, you know.
What?
This is easy. Look. How we start, ay hindi. Ito. Is a rectangle. With ka.
KFC?
No. With ka. K. May K ba?
KFC naman talaga.
Ay,
may
ka.
K.
Oo nga, may K. Ka. Basta may ka. May K. KFC.
Kia.
Ka. Hindi, Kia. Wala nga YouTuber. This is like this. You know, inside is branded car. Branded. It's like a Lamborghini, Ferrari.
Car shop.
Take up gulong. Take up gulong.
If I get this right, you give me $5.
Okay, and then what it gone?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the name again? I forgot my answer.
Yes, it's like ano. Fish. Fish. Fish.
Catfish.
No. Fish. Sing. Easy one. Right up. It's not cleaning cars. It's like. Come on, you gotta get this. I said this earlier.
Earlier?
Yes. Car.
Car wash.
No. I said that. Like car works. Car works.
Gas station.
It take a gulong and
Pero binibidyo ka ta.
got 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Car shop.
No. Car shop.
What is that?
Car shop. Fixing cars.
That's a repair shop.
Ay, car shop.
That's repair shop.
Car shop.
Repair. Ikaw naman mag-video sa akin.
Okay, go. Go. What?
It has a triangle.
Rectangle ba yan? Ay,
Yeah.
rectangle. It's
It's
not
a-
a rectangle.
It's a rectangle.
Okay. Give me a clue.
It has a triangle. I already said it.
Yes, a clue. I give you a lot of clue. Come on.
A triangle that has red.
Red.
Yeah, this is easy. This is where you watch with no ads.
YouTuber.
No.
YouTube.
No.
Movie. Movie.
No.
Okay.
No.
Is you. You putting your face. So it's gotta be you.
No.
It's you.
No.
No, it's
Not
you.
me.
It's you.
You got 5
It's you.
seconds. 1, 2,
With the red.
3,